Hello friend, kumusta ka na? Sabi ni Sir Oms ay magre-resign ka na daw, kaya naman happy resignation day, charot. I miss you friend, I miss our bonding, miss ko na yung mga kalokohan natin. Soon sana ay makapag-bonding ulit tayo. And congratulations pala ulit dun sa wedding mo. Hindi man ako nakarating pero alam mo, sobrang happy ko for you. Yan ang matagal ko nang pinag-pray para sa'yo na sana ay matagpuan mo na ang the one. And finally, ayun na, nangyari na. So, kahit wala ako, importante ay makasal ka na kasi talaga namang yan ang ating pinagdadasal noon pa. Tinanong ko si Sir Oms kung saan ka nalilipat, kung ano na yung bagong work mo. Sabi niya mag-full-time housewife ka na daw. So, good luck and enjoy your new journey. Alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan. Enjoy your married life. Yung pagiging housewife ay kakaiba sa pagiging career woman, pero alam ko naman na kayang-kaya mo yan at alam ko magiging mabuti kang asawa at magiging mabuting ina, hopefully soon ng magiging anak mo. Enjoy mo lang yan and kayang-kaya mo yan. Sana makapag-banding tayo soon pag uwi ko, or sana ikaw naman ang bumisita sa akin dito. I miss you friend, know that I'm always here for you. Isang tawag lang, lagi ako nandyan para sa'yo. Okay, I love you and I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Bisitahin mo naman ako. Bye!
Hi friend, wishing you much joy and happiness as you begin a new chapter in your life. Never goodbye. Remember the wishing niya ha.
What's up, Sarah? Sa Wheel, Pioneer, sa PEC. Mamimiss ka namin. Bakalamon, taga COD pa. So good luck and I'll see you outside. And wish you all the best. And Pioneering team, take care. God bless you always. So Wheel is the best. Sarah Phil Wheel. All the way. Milky Way. Cheers.
Hi Sarah, can't believe na finally you're leaving City of Dreams. I'm both happy and sad for you. Mainly because I'm sad kasi alam ko maraming malulungkot sa pag-alis mo because hindi ka lang co-worker, you're also a true friend, motivator, sort of like a family. So I really feel sad for all of those people that you'll be leaving behind. Happy naman ako kasi knowing you, alam ko hindi ka gagawa ng isang bagay na hindi mo pinag-isipan. So I know you already planned this and I have no doubt na you'll continue to do great things. So andito lang kami whenever you need help. So good luck to your future endeavors. We'll see you soon. I miss you, my friend.
Hi, Sarah. This is take 4. Anyway, sure na you? Sure na? Iwanan mo na si Ninong Bator. So, ayun. Anyway, alam ko naman kung ano yung naging desisyon mo na yan. Pinag-isipan mo na yan maraming beses and maybe aligned siya sa plan ninyo ni Wilson. So, I just wish you good luck. Always remember that I'm praying for you and Wilson and your family. So, ayun, good luck. Mas madami na tayong free time na pwedeng magkita-kita nila show. So, Milky Way na yan. Milky Way, coffee dyan. Ayun, so, yun pa naman, at least, kahit wala na ako dyan, we still keep in touch. So, yun, let's still keep in touch. Pati dyan sa mga maiiwan dyan kasi kailangan natin yung discount, diba? Anyway, SARS, good luck. I miss you. See you soon.
Hi, Sarah! It's really hard to believe na aalis ka na. It's been nice working with you. Wish you all the best. Just keep in touch. You know where to call, where to contact. good luck with you and Kuya Wilson.
Tawag lang, 8800. For me, Sarah, thank you for all the learnings, of course, and sa friendship after what we've been through. Naiiyak pa siya. Ayun, sobrang mamimiss kita. Sana, continue pa rin ang lakad natin outside sa bahay ni Kuya.
Sama niyo naman ako, lagi kayo lang.
Ayun
Ayun
lang.
lang.
We will miss you.
Check
you.
na lang.
Goodbye.
Calling the attention of Sarah. Hi, Franny. I just want to say thank you sa lahat-lahat. You've been my friend, mentor, and syempre minsan nanay na namin lahat dyan sa gas services kasi nga, pasaway. But anyways, good luck sa new chapter in your life as a wifey. Catch up soon. Mwah! Saraya!
So, ayun na nga, I am always late and you'll know that I'm always busy. Anyway, I am so happy for you, Ate Sarah. Finally, you got married! Sunod na ako and si Ella, okay? Yun, let's just reach our goals and whatever the journey you'll take, we always support you and you know that we are always here for you. And I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha!
Okay, ano sabihin mo kay Ate Wer?
Ate Wer, sana kita tayo. I love you. Sana kita na tayo.
Hi Sars, I miss you. Kahit araw-araw tayo magkausap, alam mo naman, mas iba yung shikahan sa personal dahil with feelings yun. So, eto na nga, napilit na ako ni Justin at ni Sir O na magpa-video greet na to. Joke. So, ayun, I'm so happy for you na finally magkakaroon ka na ng maraming time sa outside world. But also at the same time, nasasad rin ako because I know how you love guest services. And alam mo naman na pagdating sa work, sobrang inspiration kita kasi alam ko kung paano ka mag-work at yun na nga, wish ko is yung the best para sa'yo at sa iyong husband na si Sir Will. Sana galingan mo pag umuwi na siya at sana maging ninang na ako. Charot. Bye-bye, yun lang. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Grabe, nalulungkot ako. Hindi ko na makikita si Sarah. Naiiyak ako, Sars. Ay, iyak sana ako. Kaso may call ako. Bukas na lang ha. Bye! Hello, baby. Hi, Miss Sarah Filio. Nalulungkot ako kasi wala na ako makikitang Sarah Filio dito sa City of Dreams. But at the same time, masaya ako kasi yes, makakapag-diet na ako. Wala nang magbubudol sa akin. Charis. Pero sa totoo lang, yun nga, nalulungkot ako kasi hindi na kita makikita dito sa City of Dreams. Pero at the same time, alam kong merong magandang plan sa'yo si Lord. So, good luck on your next journey. And nandito lang ako lagi for you. Mamimiss kita and I love you so much. Bye! Bye!
Hola, Ate Sarah. You're one of the pillars of the COD Guest Services team. I miss you, I miss our gala, and our food trips, our late night talks. Miss ko na din yung room mo. Miss ko na din yung New Year sa bahay nyo. To my favorite best ex-sil that I never had. Good luck on your next journey, and I know na you will nail it. And I can't wait to see you soon. Dahil alam ko mas marami ka ng time. Sana, at pumunta ka na ng Vizcaya. We will welcome you there. All in arms. Love you!
Hi, Sarah! Ayan! Tapos ng 6 months na pag-aantay, iwanan mo na talaga kami. But, sige na nga, go na. You have my blessing. I know that you're doing this for your family as you start to build a family with Wilson. So, I cannot say no to that. All the best to you. Be happy. Magpakarami kayo. Have babies. Enjoy life. And then, of course, more success to you as you start this new journey. All the best.
Okay. I love, alam mo yung camera shy ako, so I'll make this quick. Alam kong hindi madali ang magpaalam sa trabahong minahal mo ng 11 taon. Pero gusto kong malaman mo, I see your strength, your sacrifices, and your heart. You've given your best, and now it's time for a new beginning. I may be far, but know that I'm behind you every step of the way. Congratulations, love, sa tapang mo, sa tagumpay mo, at sa bagong simula. I love you, and I'll see you soon.